Now most Californians can renew their driver's licenses online. That's according to the state DMV, which expanded renewal eligibility in June to provide more options to folks during the pandemic, though some saw hiccups.
Okay, I've been trying since June to renew my license. And then I was informed by DMV that my renewal must be in person because I have 2 past renewals by mail.
66-year-old Hillary Levy of Simi Valley is at a higher risk of catching the coronavirus due to her age and medical complications, she says. She reached out to ABC 10 with her concerns. As of mid-July, she said the DMV had rejected her by-mail license renewal and told her she would need to come into an office.
I will have to stand in a long line, probably have to wear PPE, complete one, and just to enter and protect myself.
We reached out to the California DMV, who told us their system had recently been updated and that she should try again. According to the California DMV, most Californians who were previously required to renew at a DMV field office should now be eligible to renew online or by mail. This comes after a June executive order signed by Governor Gavin Newsom expanding renewal eligibility. Drivers who previously reached their limit for out-of-office renewals should now be eligible. Since our interview with Levy, she tried again to renew her driver's license online and says it was successful. The DMV is urging drivers who can renew out of office to do so.